In this video, I'm going to talk about crypto.com. So I'm going to talk about the pros and cons and why you should choose it or why you shouldn't choose it. I found this website where we can find a crypto review and what all the advantages are of this site. Where you can buy Bitcoin, it has an app on Android and iOS. You can use it on your PC as well. As you can see here, it looks very futuristic. It even has cards. And overall, I really like the homepage and the simplicity of this platform. How easy they made this for us, how clear they made this to buy cryptocurrency is very great. I think it's one of the easiest platforms out there. So if we go to the website, we can find some pros. So crypto.com overall has very low fees. Like a lot of exchanges for cryptocurrency have quite high fees. Crypto.com has low fees. It is easy to convert from USD to crypto or from euro to crypto. You can pay with a credit card, bank transfer, stuff like that, and it's very secure. Like some of the exchanges aren't secure, but crypto.com is supported by big financial institutions, so I don't see this company going bankrupt or anything like that in the future at all. Like I think crypto.com is one of the biggest crypto companies in the world, and I would definitely recommend this. There's only, if we compare this to others, I think one of them is better, and that is Coinbase. I think Coinbase is better because it's even more secured. It has more customers, and it's just easier to use. It's even more clear than crypto.com. You also have Binance. I wouldn't recommend Binance, especially if you live in the United States, because it's super limited. But crypto.com and Coinbase are both great. I think Coinbase is a little bit better. If you want to go for crypto.com, it's not a bad choice, okay? You're not going to make a mistake on this. So here we can find some more, low fees, easy to convert money. Here we can just find some more things about it. You can also stake on it, and this card that I showed, the only card you need, crypto.com Visa card. This is basically that you can get a Visa card with a huge cashback. So this is a really nice card. A friend of mine has this, and it's super premium. So I really like this card. So would I recommend crypto.com? Yes, I would. Also coinbase.com, you could consider that because I really like that one as well. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.